Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your progressive insurance card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. First of all, here is one important thing that you need to consider. Not all the insurance providers support Apple Wallet directly. So you need to open the Progressive app or your policy email, and there you need to look for the option that says add to Apple Wallet. Now, if you are not able to see this particular option, it means that the Progressive does not support direct wallet integration in most of the cases. So after you have found that it's not possible, you can just go with the official and the most reliable way. For that, you need to simply open your Progressive application. After login into your account, you just have to look for the option of ID cards. Your digital insurance card will appear with all the details. You can show this directly when needed, and it's legally accepted in most of the places. Now, if you still want quick access, you can use this particular method. In it, you just have to download or take a screenshot of your ID card. After that, you need to open your Photos application, then click on the share icon that you see. Now, after clicking on the share icon, you just have to look for the option of print. Then you just have to look for pinch preview, share and save the files. You can then access it directly, or you can use any other application in order to store it like a wallet style pass. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.